Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of Brent crude oil on March 2nd. With the increase in geopolitical tensions that we've witnessed, oil prices ended last month with a bullish candlestick.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Last month, we saw more than an 8% increase in the price of Brent crude oil. And at the start of the new month, following the outbreak of war between Iran and the United States, oil prices opened with a 6.91% increase. In the higher timeframes, we can see that oil prices were in a downtrend, and right now, the price is at its highest level in the past year. In the weekly timeframe, we can also clearly see that after the price closed at around $73 on the last trading day of last week, it is now, with the start of this week, in the $78 range. After trading began, the price dropped slightly and filled its opening gap for the new week down to around $75.43, then rebounded upwards again. Here, we can clearly observe the upward movement that started at the beginning of 2026. Also, today the price of oil rose up to the weekly order block area, and after reacting to the price level of about $79.82, it dropped down from this level. We are currently analyzing the daily time frame. Last week, we witnessed the third round of negotiations between Iran and the United States, and according to the various discussions that took place in these meetings, we also saw simultaneous price fluctuations in Brent crude oil. On the last trading day of last week, Friday, February 27th, we saw more than a 3% increase in oil prices, which, along with the rise in precious metal prices, was also predicting increased tensions and the possibility of the outbreak of war. By examining the 4-hour time frame, we can see that after the market opened, oil prices faced a rapid decline, but then, given the ongoing tensions, they rebounded upwards. Now, after reaching a new high around the price of $79.82, it has turned back down. At the moment, trading is taking place around the daily open range. In such circumstances, given that there are still many tensions in the Middle East, we can continue to expect oil prices to rise until these tensions subside and a situation for peace is established. However, as you can see, the price in the mentioned trend does not show any stability, and with the release of various news related to the war, we are witnessing unpredictable reactions. Given the likelihood of rising tensions, we can still expect an upward movement in oil, and if we continue to see liquidity being collected from levels such as the 1-hour FBG, we can enter buy trades targeting higher highs and previous liquidity levels. However, at the moment, considering that tensions and news related to the war are very high and unpredictable, I do not recommend entering a trade, and if you do, risk and capital management must be observed with extreme caution. Wishing you success and profitable trades.